Any kind of pain that stays longer than 3 months is chronic. People suffering from this kind of pains need to seek the help of a therapist to treat the negative emotions triggered by chronic pains.
I was born great, I never knew it until I found out. I was born great, I never knew it until I found out. I was born great, I never knew it until I found out. I was born great, I never knew it until I found out. I'm growing stronger, I'm growing stronger. I'm getting better, I'm getting better. I'm living life, I'm living life. I'm growing wiser, I'm growing wiser.
Today we are going to be talking about chronic pain. Many people are suffering from chronic pains and they go from one hospital to another. And in this case, it will be difficult for the doctor to diagnose the real cause of this kind of pain, unless you are able to corroborate with them to know exactly how you feel and what it's all about. Yes, doctors and are professionals. They are there to help us. They are there to diagnose different kind of sickness. But in this case, it will be difficult. Even pain medication may not work in this kind of situation. Then many, especially we from Africans, we begin to go from one prayer house to another because we believe that this kind of pain that the doctor cannot diagnose is spiritual. So this is it. Today I'm here to share my own experience and what I've noticed from other people around me in these past years. Chronic pain is a kind of pain that is not very easy to explain. Sometimes you don't even know where the pains are coming from. People think it's physical. Yes, it's not physical. It's psychological pain. It's direct from the brain. Most times, this kind of pain can come from depression, and also this kind of pain can lead to depression, because when you are feeling pains, you are not able to relate with people. You are not able to have your normal daily activities. When somebody is feeling pains, that person cannot smile, and the other person will not understand that you are going through pain. A kind of pain that you can't understand. And if you are from our part of the world, in Africa, people will begin to say this different kind of things. And if you stay long without treating it, it could lead to something more severe. Like, it may affect your brain, it may cause an inflammation in your brain. That is another case. And that will lead to something else. So I'm here to share with someone out there. Maybe you are going through pain and the doctor cannot diagnose what the problem is. Please go back to your doctor, ask him for a blood test to know if all your vitamins are in place. Vitamin D, vitamin C, vitamin B, all of them are also together with minerals like iron, potassium, and all of it. All the minerals and vitamins. You can go for a blood test. Then you will know if everything is. Because this can also cause pain, like when you lack vitamin D, vitamin K, and that can also lead to depression. So I want to help somebody today to be able to know what to tell the doctor, what to ask for. I'm not a medical professional, so disclaimer directly. I am just talking from my own experience and how I was able to work with the doctor. Even people around you may not understand what you are going through. They can call you names, snob, or whatever. They don't know what you are going through. You can't even explain. Nobody understands you. Nobody believes you. Some will think you are lazy because this kind of pain we come from, we come with fatigue, lack of sleep, lack of concentration, you switch moods, and so on. So you need to seek for help. Go to your doctor, ask your doctor to check your vitamins and your minerals. Then, if everything is right with that area, then you talk about chronic pain with doctor. You think this pain should come from your brain or something like that. And if you are somebody that have suffered before of any kind of illness, mental illness. Yes, when we say mental illness, we don't mean madness or whatever. Because we stigmatize people who speak about their feelings, which is what we need to get help. If you have been through that before, you explain to your doctor, it could lead to, like the post-trauma of a situation can also cause chronic pain. So, talk to your doctor, go for a blood test, and know how to go for the treatment, because it's something that comes from the brain, and you need to go for therapy. You need to seek for professional help, professional therapy. You need to see a therapist. If you are in some of the countries like where we are not used to things like this, if you talk to your doctor will understand and look for a way out. I tell you what to do, how to help yourself. You can help yourself with exercises. You can help yourself by changing your diet. You change your diet, you will see that you feel better. Lose weight if you have much weight, and try to talk to the right people if there is no psychology around you, because I know most places they don't even know what a psychology is all about. So get the right person, talk to them, be speaking about your situation, and release that brain from how will I say it? Like the brain is freezing, and you begin to lose memory. You begin to have fear. This is what can come with chronic pain. You begin to get scared of everything. that like sometimes the pains from depression that came from, that is after or during depression is a kind of pains that brings fear. You are scared of everything. You need help. You need to talk to the right person. You need to let the doctor know that you suspect that you have chronic pain. Because I know people that have been going to the hospital, going to the doctor for months, for years, and they believe it's spiritual because the pains are there. They don't know the cause of this pain. So it's medical. You can get help. Yes, pain relief, medication for pain cannot help you in this case. But there are little exercise that you can do. You will see that everything is okay because it's not physical, it's psychological. It's part of the mental illness we are talking about. So it can lead to something worse because when you leave it for a long time untreated, like in our part of the world, in Africa, people will tag you a witch. People will tag you a devil. Maybe it's what she or he did that is affecting them, which is not true. You are just suffering from a psychological illness, mental illness. So you need to learn to take care of your mental health. It is very important. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Hope to see you again in my next